Hi, in this video I will walk through how to add a node in SensorConnect. The first method is to short press the power button on the node, and it should populate in the devices panel below your base station as long as the node and base station are on the same operating frequency. If, however, your node and base station are not on the same operating frequency, then when you power it on, you'll see an orange icon appear next to the base station. Click on the base station, then click on the tile that says Nodes on Other Frequencies. Find your node in the selection list, click on it, and click Move Node to Frequency. Then it should appear below your base station. If your node is on, but is not populated in the Devices panel, you can manually add it by clicking on the Manually Add Node tile. Enter the node address of the node and the operating channel that the node is on, and click Add Node. You'll get this window if the node is either in a sampling mode or in a low power state. Click on Add Node on LXRS if that is the protocol you're working with, or LXRS Plus if you're using LXRS Plus. The node will populate in the Devices panel. If it's already on and in idle mode, you can simply click on the node and begin configuring. If it's in a low power state, you must click on Set Node to Idle to get it to idle mode. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.